FL-41 is filter, and obviously it's a number 41 because there probably was a number 40 and a number 39, and FL-41 just happens to be the number of filter. And the reason FL-41 is something you need to know about in neuro-ophthalmology is because not all the wavelengths of light are involved in photosensitivity. And it doesn't matter whether that photosensitivity is from migraine, aura, or visual snow, or just I have sensitivity to light. For whatever reason, in the spectrum of visible light, Roy v. Biv, it's this part of the spectrum of the visible light spectrum, the blue spectrum, is the part that is the most troublesome to people in terms of producing photosensitivity. And so that's normally on the order of 480 to 520 nanometers of wavelength of light. And in the visible light spectrum, that tends to be towards the blue. The reason it's important is the blue light is what's coming out of all your devices, your phone, the computer, and blocking that blue blockers, is one of the treatments that we use for patients with photosensitivity. And FL-41 has a superior blocking spectrum for the wavelengths that are problematic, 480 to 520 nanometers. And you know that the blue is a problem for other conditions too, like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, and so that's why they're putting these blue blockers into intraocular lenses as well. So you put it in the glasses, into intraocular lenses, and you can put the filter on your computer. You can also turn on the blue blocker on your phone with going into the settings. And so FL-41 is a very common and useful filter for patients who have photosensitivity regardless of underlying etiology, but especially for conditions like migraine, photooculodynia, and the other photosensitivity pain syndromes. Presumably it's related to trigeminal afferent from your cornea that is mediated by thalamus. So trigeminal, thalamic to cortex circuitry, and they just feel the light as pain, but it's not really causing any pain. It's the light is the trigger, but not all light. 480 to 520. So try and block it with FL-41.